Ghana has been making significant strides on the quest for developmental success with remarkable projects that could impact the nation significantly. And in today's video, I'm excited to share with you one of the most remarkable and impactful projects spearheaded by Ghanaian billionaire and politician Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, which is the groundbreaking 31,000-ton cold-store factory, the biggest in Africa. Stick to this video to the end to know more about this groundbreaking project, the impressive contributions this mega project offers the nation, as well as the intriguing insights surrounding this massive undertaking. Before we begin, as always, I would appreciate a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get right into it. Kennedy Agyapong is a successful Ghanaian business tycoon and outspoken politician, holds the prestigious position of the Member of Parliament for Asin Central in Ghana. Known for his shrewd business acumen and candid critiques of the government, only a few are aware of his incredible philanthropic acts and the massive projects he has undertaken. So in today's video, I'll be shining light on an extraordinary 31,000 cold-store project poised to completely transform Ghana's industrial landscape and impact the life of its citizens in an impressive way. This massive cold-store project, strategically located in the Tema-free zones in Ghana, is a supreme testament to Kennedy Agyapong's commitment to driving innovation and progress in the nation. With a visionary approach and an investment of substantial resources, Kennedy Agyapong has successfully launched the biggest and most impressive cold-store in Africa. At its core, the 31,000-ton cold-store factory is a game-changer for Ghana's agricultural and food sectors. With state-of-the-art temperature control systems, the cold-store ensures that perishable goods such as fruits and vegetables and meat are preserved at optimal conditions. This preservation technology not only extends the shelf life of these essential food items, but also reduces wastage, making a significant contribution to food security in the country. The impact of this ultra-modern cold-store in Ghana's economy and its citizens cannot be overstated. This cold-store ensures the safe preservation of sensitive cargo, catering to both export and import needs. The facility's large capacity of storage chambers further enhances its ability to handle perishable goods such as fruits and meats, guaranteeing that they reach consumers in optimal conditions. This amazing project, which officially surpasses Africa's cold store in Angola, aims at providing reliable and efficient cold storage facilities. It safeguards the nation's food supply chain, reducing food waste and enhances the availability of fresh produce throughout the year. This is crucial for a country with a growing population and an expanding economy, as it fosters stability and resilience in the face of potential challenges. Moreover, the 31,000-ton cold-store factory is a powerhouse for job creation. With its massive scale and operations, it offers sustainable employment opportunity for a large number of Ghanaians, from skilled workers managing the cutting-edge technologies to logistics personnel ensuring smooth operations. The cold store project is a significant employer in the region, employing a whopping 7,000 employees according to sources, and in the process supporting livelihoods and contributing to economic growth. Beyond its economic impact, this cold store also makes a substantial difference in the lives of Ghanaians by ensuring the availability of well-preserved and refrigerated foodstuffs. It ensures food quality and safety standards, promoting the well-being of consumers. Additionally, with its state-of-the-art facility, the cold store raises the bar for the nation's storage and logistics infrastructure, setting a new standard of excellence in the industry. Kennedy Agyapong's investment in this ultra-modern cold store underscores his unwavering commitment to Ghana's progress and prosperity. Though a personal endeavor, it still has a great economic impact. Through this project, he has not only elevated Ghana's position as a frontrunner in the Africa food storage landscape, and also demonstrates that Ghana's innovative solutions can drive positive change. This amazing 31,000-ton cold-store factory, spearheaded by Kennedy Agyapong, is an impressive feat for Ghana's economy and its people. With its cutting-edge facilities, job creation potential, and significant contributions to food security, it is a true testament to the transformative power of visionary investments. As this project continues to thrive and make a lasting impact, These impactful entrepreneurial ventures are underrated but serve as a significant booster, adding to the economic prosperity of the country. If you like content like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more riveting content like these. Also, check out this video next on other massive projects going on right here in other regions of Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.